I'm a student Randika Gihinage, and this recording is for the purpose of assessment and will be served and stored in accordance with UNEP policy and procedure. I consent to the recording Tim Senford, and I am willingly participating for this role play.
I, Stephen Wood, and I'm willingly participating for this role play.
Good morning, Stephen. Thank you for taking the time to meet today. The purpose of the discussion is to finalize the pit out drawings, review the site access and specific requirements, and align on the construction plan for the temporary structure adjoining the exhibition hall. I would also like to address any concern you may have and ensure we are aligned on the project strategies, timeline, and responsibilities.
Good morning, team. Thank you for organizing this. It is important we get everything right as this expansion is critical to our ability to host larger and more simultaneous events. Let's ensure all areas of concern are addressed.
Let's start with the fit-out drawings. The temporary structure doubles our current exhibition space and includes a larger banquet hall and several meeting rooms. The layout has been designed to integrate seamlessly with the existing exhibition hall, ensuring easy accessibility for visitor and staff.
That sounds promising. Have you considered how the new structure will handle the increased capacity in terms of visitor flow and existing infrastructure?
Yes, we have confirmed the existing facilities include toilet and the commercial kitchen can support up to 6,000 visitors with align the license capacity. The layout include multiple access points, which will help maintain smooth traffic flow with the facility.
Good. I would like to see a contingency plan for managing visitor movement in case we experience larger than expected crowds.
Absolutely. I will include the overflow management plan, which will direct visitor to alternate entrance or queue area during peak time.
How do you plan to manage site access during construction to minimize disruptions to ongoing operations?
We have designed a specific entry and exit point for contractors and vehicle separate from public pathways. Temporary fencing will clearly mark the construction zone and signage will guide visitor around the site. Additionally, construction deliveries are scheduled during non-peak hours to reduce traffic congestion.
Excellent. What measures are in place for visitor safety, especially given the proximity of construction to operational areas?
We have implemented several safety measures, including pedestrian barriers, secure storage materials, and regular site inspection. A dedicated safety officer will monitor compliance throughout the project.
That's reassuring. Let's ensure these plans are shared with our frontline staff so they can help direct visitors as needed. Team, I want to ensure we are meeting all environmental and regulatory requirements. How are you managing issues such as noise, dust, and tree protection?
Great point. For noise, we are restricting construction activities to approved hours. Dust suppression measures, including water spraying and material covering, will be implemented throughout the project for tree protection. We have engaged arborists to supervise and ensure compliance with council guidelines.
What about after-hour security and waste management?
We have arranged for 24/7 site security to prevent unauthorized access. Waste management include segregated bins for recyclable and non-recyclable materials with regular pickup schedules. No waste will be stored on public land without permitted.
Perfect. Let's make sure these measures are documented and communicated to stakeholders.
Now let's review the construction plan. The project is divided into key stages: site preparation, structural assembly, interior fit out, and final inspection. We are processing the cost plus delivery method, which allowed for flexibility in addressing unforeseen changes while maintaining cost transparency.
Cost first sounds reasonable, but it's essential to maintain strict oversight on spending. What's the plan for contractor engagement?
We are following a rigorous pre-qualification process to ensure only experienced contractors are engaged. This includes verifying their compliance history, financial sustainability, and past performance on similar projects.
Good. I also want to ensure clear communication with contractors and consultants throughout the project.
Absolutely. I will conduct weekly process meeting with the contractors and shared update report with stakeholders to ensure transparency and alignment.
What contingency plans are in place for potential risks such as weather delays or supply chain disruptions?
For weather delays, we have built a buffer days into the timeline and will extend working hours during clear weather if necessary. To mitigate supplies chain risk, we have identified alternate supplies for critical materials.
Excellent. Let's keep a close eye on these risks and address them proactively.
Agreed. I will include this update in our weekly report to keep our informed.
How are responsibilities divided between ATS and ICH?
ATS will handle the construction and fit out of the temporary structure, include all structural, electrical, and plumbing work. ICH will oversee site operations, visitor management, and coordination with the Council for regular compliance.
That sounds fair. Let's document these responsibilities clearly in our agreement to avoid any ambiguity later.
Of course, I will prepare the details agreement outline these role and responsibilities for your review. To summarize, we have confirmed the fit-out drawings, reviewed site access and safety measures, and agreed on the construction plan and payment method. Our next step include finalizing contractor engagement and starting site preparation.
Thank you, team. This plan looks solid. Please share the updated timeline and documents after this meeting, and let's schedule a follow-up in 2 weeks to review progress.
Thank you, Stefan. I will send over the document shortly and prepare for our next meeting.
Great. Let's ensure we maintain open communication throughout. Have a productive day, team.
Thank you.